Welcome to DMP Training Center. I'm Aaron McGee. Today we're going to talk about the PowerCom Fire Universal Communicator. This communicator has network and LTE cellular communications. The cellular can be either AT&T or Verizon to meet the needs of your installation. The PowerCom Fire also has a built-in power supply that's powering the communicator. This means that when you go to install it, you do not have to pull power from that existing Fire panel. That means that you don't have to resubmit any battery calculations for that installation. To get all of your alarms and supervisories and troubles, you'll want to use the contact ID capture to get all of those messages and send those on to your central station. The enclosure that the PowerCom Fire comes in is a red enclosure to meet all of the UL Fire requirements. There's plenty of knockouts on that enclosure to make sure that if you need to run any conduit, you have the option of where to bring that into the enclosure. The communicator also has 2 tip and ring terminals. That means that if you have an existing Fire panel that has 2 phone lines attached to it, you can move those straight over to the universal communicator. The second tip and ring terminals on there will drop voltage if there is a communication failure to the central station. That will then cause a phone line trouble at the existing panel, which will then enunciate and display that phone line trouble on the keypads at that site. This meets all of NFPA's guidelines. For more information about the PowerCom Fire or other DMP products, visit dmp.com. Thanks for your time and thanks for your business.